house. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Chastity G. If you're new, welcome. If you're back, welcome back. It's been a while. I'm sorry, but in spirit of the new year, I thought that I would share my New Year resolutions or goals for the new year. You like my hair, girl? And I'll post a video of this makeup just if you're curious, But so let's get started. So I did write them down. It's not a lot. It's them, and then it's like notes for other stuff as well. But my goals for 2022 is to be more consistent on YouTube. I know I've been going for a minute. I deleted some stuff. I just didn't know what direction I wanted this channel to go in. But I'm leaning more towards the direction of self-care and hair care, skincare, hauls from everywhere that I decide to shop. I might do what's in your purse video. I want to do like videos like you let the person in front of you pick your drinks or your meal for a full day, or for breakfast or for lunch or for dinner, but let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in. You can always hit me up in my Instagram DMs. My Instagram will be listed below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and also like this video, baby. Like this video. All right, so yes, to be more consistent on YouTube, I am launching a new business this year, but I don't want to speak too much on it. Just stay tuned. That's really what I've been working on. That's where I've been. I want to create passive income. My goal is to have 3 forms of income by the end of 2022. That's a goal. I already got 1. I just need 2 more, I want to get a new car because my car is doing real bad. It's been about 6 years, It's about time to get a new one. I want to move, so that is a goal. I want to focus a lot on self-care, as far as taking care of my hair consistently. I take care of my face, of course, because this is what you say, but take care of my hair more, take care of myself more, love on myself a little more, that type of stuff. So as I do like self-care, like if I get my nails done or whatever, I could dig a little into vlogs for self-care. I think that'd be a cute idea. I want to go to the gym more consistent. I was looking at some old pics, sis, and it's like, your girl was doing her thing, she was doing her thing. I was going to the gym consistently from like, I started in March, and then I stopped in like September, October, around the holidays. Really, I got lazy. So we need to get rid of lazy Chaz and let's get this money, get to this gym, because I'm paying for the gym for nothing, for me to be working all day just sitting here. I need to go to the gym, so I'm gonna start that actually next week. 2022 is tomorrow, so we gonna start Monday. I want to cook more. I eat out a lot in this bed, for sure. I eat out a lot, and I spend a lot of money. You would have thought a bitch was rich, but I'm not. I'm not. So I definitely need to stop doing that and start cooking. I got food in the house, you know? Start telling myself that. I do want to save, so that goes hand in hand with cooking more, you know? Stop spending money on things that I don't need, you know? And, you know, save a little more. And also, I do want to build my credit as well. My credit is not bad. It's not terrible, but it could be better. It ain't 800, you know? That's what I'm trying to do. So, trying to do that. Lately, I've been really looking or planning for my future. For this upcoming year, and just trying to get things in order, you know, so that I can, I mean, if somebody looked at me, you know, I got 2 kids, I got a car, I got a crib, it's fully furnished, you know. I mean, I'm doing all right. I'm doing better than most, but I just am not where I want to be. And, you know, I'm not getting any younger, so, you know, I need to do what I do, you know. Like, my attitude is fine. When I'm mad, I don't be snapping. I be chilling. I hold that shit together well. Like, you would never know that I'm mad if you was sitting next to me. Like, I'm just the type of person that now you gotta, like, do the fucking most. And even when you do the most, I'm gonna let you slide. I'm gonna still look nonchalant, just looking like, okay. I don't know. I've done very well at containing my anger nowadays, you know, better than when I was in high school. But, you know. Yeah, so that's really my goals. I've been writing in this little book right here that I got on Amazon. It's Burn After Writing. It's a lot of deep questions. I'm not even gonna say little, a bunch of little questions. No, these are deep questions. It literally says in the beginning, you can't hide from the truth, but it sure as hell can hide from you. And somewhere in here it says, how honest will you be when nobody is looking? Like, what? I'm generally an honest person, but it's a lot of stuff that I had to dig deep about, you know? A lot of stuff I forgot about. I guess you could say traumatic events in my life that I've buried in the back of my brain, you know? So I done forgot a lot of stuff. Like, I be watching all of these story times and stuff, and I'm just like, I've been through some stuff, and I really can give y'all some story times, but I don't got all the details, because whatever traumatic story time I got, it's buried away, baby. We gonna have to dig that up. So, I don't know. That's why nowadays I just stay to myself. Just keep that shit buried away. Whoever need to know about it. Whoever don't need to know, don't know about it. So, let me find a good one. Let me see. It asks about your bucket list, your life rules. Your future starts here. 1 week from now, I will. 1 month from now, I will. 1 year from now, I will. 10 years from now, I will. Asks about your favorite songs, your favorite playlists. What is your legacy? I mean, that sounds a little corny. You want less of, you want more of. Things you want to pass on. Love is, then you write a little note, my inspirations. Talk about your partner. talk about love, you talk about trauma, you talk about your childhood, you talk about memories you want to share, people you want to bring back if you could, a letter you would like to send, a letter you would love to receive, and why not, a letter to my future self, my future plans. And it also talks about, a lot of stuff. It's very in depth, but it's valid. So I mean, it's like kind of like a journal. It talks about a lot of stuff, so you know, if you interested, I got that journal on Amazon. It was like $6, I think. So I mean, it won't hurt to check it out to see, you know, just to get into self-care and stuff. I do want to get a self-care book. I also want to be more organized with my finances as well. How I keep track of my finances are, I'll literally make a list. So like if I need some stuff, I'll literally make a list. I track my spending, I track my bills as far as whenever I get paid or whenever it's close to time when I need to get paid, I'll literally track my expenses and, you know, subtract. Like I need to pay for this, I need to pay for this, I need to pay for that. And whatever I have left over, either I'll save it or I will invest in myself. And if for whatever reason a girl was broke, there's other ways to make money. One thing about me, I'm gonna get this money, okay? So you do like Instacart or whatever. So, you know, I do that if I need extra money or whatever, because you know I got 2 kids, so always gotta buy something. Or I forgot to get diapers, or I gotta go get this, so, you know, that type of thing. I'm glad they don't take formula, cause that shit expensive, you know. But you know, yeah, so that was really just my goals. I wanted to come on here, you know, because it's been a minute since I've been on. And, you know, I'm trying to start the new year right. So I got to bring y'all a little video. Y'all like my tree? You only see a little bit of it, but my babies did so good. Noe, my little baby Noe, she 4. And she helped with the tree. It's so cute. And I got this tree from Walmart. It was $40. And it's pretty big. I'm good at throwing shit away. So I had a tree last year. It was white, I think. But I didn't take that joint down till June because I ain't had no couch yet. And I threw it away. As soon as my couch came, I said, my couch is big as hell. It'll take up my whole fucking living room. So I'm literally sitting on my ottoman right now. And I can't move it all the way because the tree is in the way. So, you know, my couch is pretty big. I would do a house tour, but my house is not really together. Like, it's homey, but it's not the way I want it to look. I'm still getting it together, but I think I'm gonna wait until I move and then I may really get it together. So summer 2022, a girl is moving, you know. What did I get for Christmas? I got a Marc Jacobs tote bag. I got 2 pairs of Uggs. My mom got me an air fryer and a Ninja. Girl. I know 2021 has been devastating for a lot of us with the losses of our loved ones. And I do hope that everyone is in a great mental state. And I am sorry deeply for your loss. This year has been amazing. It's been a lot going on. We learned a lot about ourselves. And I know we were all hoping that the panorama was coming to an end, but you know, there's a new strand, there's a couple strands of COVID, and I just hope you guys stay safe, wear your masks, social distance, and just quarantine if you guys feel sick, and try to stay away from your loved ones, especially if they have health issues. And I definitely hope that 2022 is nothing but extraordinary for everyone watching this. Thank you guys for spending 2021 with me and the little bit of videos that I have posted in my little box on YouTube. Haven't went viral yet, where got a lot of love, but the ones that have been watching, I really appreciate it. It means a lot. I hope your 2022 is amazing, and I'll see you guys in 2022. Bye.